ladies and gentlemen, what you all about to watch is about the presentations of the most famous products which our mothers love, not only Asian mothers, but all mothers around the world love products, which is Tupperware. So what is Tupperware, ladies and gentlemen? Tupperware is the home product, includes preparation, storage, and serving products that used in kitchen and home.
Tupperware is an airtight plastic containers that keep food fresher longer. Put the food inside the container and put patterns Tupperware seals, press down the center to seal and leave a little at once. Once you hear a whisper, that's Tupperware airtight promise to keep foods very fresh. Tupperware comes in all shapes, full size. You can freeze it, stack it in a way you want, and it would not leave any spill. By using nowadays technologies, Tupperware have been upgraded in terms of size, shape, and also quality. However, the function is still the same. It is very convenient to use. Tupperware products are very famous, even exhibitions in a lot of famous museums, such as Museum for Arts and Craftsmanship. Even the kids love it. Now, you can enjoy the food fresh, just like getting it out from the oven. Even in the airspace, Tupperware still can be used. Just kidding.
So we will about to go to the history of Tupperware brand.
As you can see, in this 21st century, people are trying to save money by making their own food and put it inside of the container or water bottles. Almost 94% of population choose Tupperware as their home products. Earl Tupper is the founder of Tupperware. He developed his first bell-shaped container called Wondelier Bowl. So Brownie Wise realized that Tupperwares have a potential as a fun commodity. She realized, however, that she had to be creative and therefore started to throw these Tupperware parties. Wise, a former sales representative of Stanley Home Products, developed the strategy. Tupperware was so impressed that Brownie Wise was made as the vice president of the marketing in 1951. Tupperware sales and also popularity exploded. Years by years and days by days, the popularity kept on increasing even in 2018.
So ladies and gentlemen, my teammate will be explaining in detail about the manufacturing system of the Tupperware brand products.
Forecasting is a method that uses the past data to generate a general estimation for the company's future plans. In this assignment, we are using the Tupperware Brands Report 2018 third quarter sales in order to do the forecasting. From the report, we found that there are 485.80 cents of their net sales is being recorded, and with a down 2% local currency in the established market and the emerging market. By referring to this data, the company succeeded to create the fourth quarter sales prediction and also the fiscal 2018 outlook. This is essential for the company as they can use the forecasting data to predict the number of the product should be manufactured in order to avoid the excessive product are being manufactured. Resource planning is a process that takes in consideration of the sales and operation plans. The required information of the manufacturing product or the services is listed in the plan, such as time standard, routing, and other essential information so that the input requirement can be planned. However, the actual example of resource planning is unapproachable in the internet resource. So our team decided to create our own suggested resource planning based on the manufacturing knowledge. In this particular part, We are using the Eco bottle 750 ml as the example. First, we analyze the bill of material that included two important elements, which are the caps and the bodies. Next, we create the inventory record data table as shown in Appendix 9.
In Appendix 9, it shows a master production scheduling of Eco bottle 750 ml. In this example, we break down the product into weekly MPS for the bottle and its sub-assembly parts respectively. We have taken the example of the end product, which is the bottle, and one of its assembly part, which is the cap, to demonstrate the application of MPS. The essential information is including quantity on hand, order policy, lead time, forecast, and customer's order book. By using this information, we can develop the MPS table of the bottle by calculating the projected on-hand inventory, MPS quantity, MPS start, and available to promise. The respective data is shown in the table. Same as the bottle, the MPS of the cap is being created. By referring to the bill of material, we know that one bottle requires one cap. Next, we create the MPS table for the cap. The essential information required is same as the bottle, but the consequent information is different. The information is including the gross requirements, schedule receipt, projected on-hand inventory, planned receipt, and planned order release. The complete table is then shown in Appendix 9. The reason we create the MPS table is that it helps Tupperware to manage its dependent demand inventory and schedule replenishment orders. By using this system, the order policy can be revised in order to avoid the excessive products are being manufactured.
Capacity planning is a process that determines the production capacity of the manufacturing company in order to fulfill the varying demand of the product. In general, Tupperware company has to implement the capacity requirement method of calculation in order to have a smooth capacity planning in their products. Again, there is not any relevant actual example that's shown in the online resource. Therefore, our team has created an example to demonstrate how capacity planning can be applied in this assignment. In this section, we are choosing two types of products, which Eco bottle 500 ml and Eco bottle 750 ml. The example of calculation of capacity planning is shown at Appendix 10.
In Appendix 10, it shows the capacity requirement method to calculate the machines required to fulfill the demand of the Tupperware products. The required information is including the annual demand forecast, standard processing time, average lot size, and standard setup time. By assuming the capacity cushion is 5%, the number of hours operation per year is 4,000 hours per machine year. The number of machines required is calculated by using the formula shown in Appendix 10. In conclusion, 6 machines are required in order to fulfill the demand of these two types of bottles.
In conclusion, 6 machines are required to fulfill the demand of the products.
Production control is the process of planning production to determine the assembly, setting, starting, and also finishing of the product, which in this context is the Tupperware brand. In Tupperware company, they use the Tupperware SQC manual, which describes the visual standard quality. The functional demands of the product is to be confirmed. Meanwhile, the packing of the product need to be transferred in the usage that describe the packaging manner so that the product remains in high quality during delivery. Besides, the Tupperware brand implement a barcode label and a product description printed on the both sides of the Tupperware brand. For inspection, every 2.5 hours, a quality check is done on the Tupperware brand by a functional tester on the quality department. As the result,
the Tupperware brand will be transferred to the packing department where the Statistical Quality Control or SQC station was placed. This station is built in such a way that every hour 1 carton of each product is automatically transferred in the quality inspector. Inventory control, also known as stock control, where the objective is to minimize the profit as well as minimum inventory involved without affecting customer satisfaction level negatively. There are two common methods used by Tupperware brand. First, the inventory control system are used, where the barcode updates the software every time the product is sold out. The other method is that delivering on time, which these items are preferred to be in the direct selling over retailing so that there are no stock left, and also they will deliver according to the demand of the customer. As conclusion, Tupperware brand is able to stand longer in the manufacturing of home appliances industry. This is because Tupperware have good properties in order to withstand the heat and also the pressure when it is being used in the home. It is also being observed that Tupperware brand is able to sustain longer in this financial economy because the production will always have a better design day by day.
Every day, highest quality. Uncompromising quality is a part of all our production activities. That's why we use high-quality plastics and materials. It all starts with production of our own injection molds. The molds are manufactured with the utmost care to make them extremely durable, just like our products. The 13 Tupperware factories around the world produce Tupperware products to uniform quality standards worldwide. No Tupperware product leaves our factory unless it is absolutely perfect. That's one of the reasons that we are able to offer the proven Tupperware warranty on all our products. Products which are gladly handed down from generation to generation. Our own state-of-the-art logistics center makes sure our products get to our distributors quickly and accurately. Final delivery and direct contact with customers remains the privilege of our demonstrators.